how to eat these dry fruits the right way. Dry fruits are really good for you, but if you eat them in the wrong way, it can cause many harm to your body. So we'll see how you can eat them in the right way. So whenever you are eating your dry fruits, make sure that you soak them, and don't eat it without soaking them, because when you soak them, it reduces the heat which is present in the dry fruit. And second is that it contains many anti-nutrients which is decreased when you soak them. And when you're soaking them in the water, you can drink the water. There is no harm in drinking that water, because when you are soaking your dry fruits, some of that minerals like calcium and iron can go inside that water. If you drink that water, then you also get that calcium and minerals inside you. And next is, make sure that the dry fruits which you're eating is free of preservatives and chemicals. And how will you know that? If the dry fruit is bright in color, that means that they contain preservatives. And mostly your raisins and your apricots has the most preservatives, because your raisins are made of grapes, and when you dry the grapes, it becomes black in color, but they add preservatives to make it bright color, so that they attract more customers to themselves. That's why they make it very colorful. And same goes with the apricot. So make sure that whenever you're eating raisins, you're eating the black raisins, because it is free of preservatives. Now, how to eat your dry fruits? Always eat your dry fruits on empty stomach, because when you're eating on an empty stomach, you absorb more of the nutrients that dry fruit has to offer. If you can't eat it in the morning, then you can eat during evening, because during evening time also your stomach is empty, so you can eat the dry fruits then also. Many people eat their dry fruits with their chai. That is a big no, because chai contains some compounds which stop the absorption of nutrients. So your almonds, your dry fruits are very nutritious. If you combine it with chai, it can decrease that absorption of that nutrition. So what will be the point of eating dry fruits? We are eating dry fruits to get the nutrition, not to lose the nutrition. So if you want to get best out of it, don't eat it with your chai. Always eat your dry fruits alone on empty stomach. Now there are some myths regarding dry fruits. So I'll be busting 2 myths about dry fruits. Number 1 is that whenever you soak dry fruits, especially you soak the walnuts, it decreases the omega-3 fatty acid. That is bullshit. It doesn't decrease your omega-3 fatty acid. That doesn't happen, so don't believe that. And number 2 is that it causes weight gain. Dry fruits don't cause weight gain if you eat in moderation. Of course, if you eat a lot, then yeah, it can cause weight gain. Or if you don't soak them and eat as it is, then it can cause weight gain. But if you're soaking them and eating in right quantity, it won't increase your weight. In fact, it will help in decreasing your weight, and it will provide nutrition to your body, which your body really needs. So yeah, if you're on your weight loss journey, then do add your dry fruits. Now there is one awesome recipe, awesome dry fruit milkshake, which you can make that will help in introducing these dry fruits into your lifestyle. So for that, you have to soak 2 anjeer or figs, then 4 or 5 almonds. You can soak 5 walnuts and 2 dates for sweetness. After you soak them overnight for at least 7 to 8 hours, then next morning you can just take that and add milk to your mixie, then add all these dry fruits with the water and mix it, and there you go, you'll get this tasty milkshake which you can drink, and it's really great for your health also. And if you're trying to lose weight, you can add this milkshake. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post new videos.